Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is the picture of you.
Yeah, sir, this is me. I can send you more if you want.
Yeah, honestly.
You want more?
Yeah, I mean.
Okay, I'm sending you my pictures. Okay, just hold on.
All right.
I mean,
it's a lot of buildup, man. Oh my God, they have the drum thing. Oh my God. This is.
Hold on, it's hiding.
All right. Unmute yourself and then say that again, because that was fucking beautiful.
Wait, is it unmuted now? It's kind of split.
What is stallion?
Katajikenai de gozaru.
What is that?
So that's samurai, like, so, oh, hi. So old school, there's like different dialects in Japan, right? Mm-hmm. And there's like an old school dialect that samurai use. It's basically like badass, disrespectful dialect.
Okay.
And it's like, you say de gozaru after stuff.
Ah, okay, okay.
And katajikenai means arigatou gozaimasu, but as a badass.
Oh. This is my favorite Fortnite flex I've ever heard.
You want to hear a weird flex? We got people working on our bathrooms upstairs, remodeling them, and we don't want our dogs to be involved. So we have every single part of the house like gated up, but we ran out of gates, so we're using a 60-inch TV to block 26.
No.
Okay.
Yo,
that is yes, that is a weird flex. That is true.
That is a really weird flex. Oh my God.
Ran out of gates.
See what I'm saying? Thank you, Tiki Yak, with a $50 donation. Can you welcome my boy Banks to the Champions Club? Says Doc's biggest fan with a $9 donation. Hey, yo, Banks! Get in, baby. Caboose Desu, thank you for the $3. Says, let's go, champions. Welcome Ricky to the Champions Club. Whoa. We got Banks and Ricky.
I just got two-shot. Sorry, dude, I'm changing my settings. Psych! Bitch! Unlock FPS.
Come to
How do I
daddy,
do that?
pussy!
Game
Bitch! Bitch!
What?
Is there packet loss on the first day? I'm confused!
Holy shit. Watch this, watch this. I'm about to outplay this dude.
No, after the game...
Today's my day off technically from streaming, but I had an hour, and like I had an hour free, and I was like, well, I would like to work out, and I'd like to stream. Pixie. I know how you feel about this place, but like as a beginner, as a super beginner, the thing is that this Planet Fitness is the only gym in town that's open 24 hours where I live, and because I stream my workout, the other gyms won't let me stream when there are a lot of people around, and in the daytime there's always other people. So normally I go to the gym. Right now it's raining, that's why there's not a lot of people, but I go to the gym at like 11 at night or 10 at night when there's no people. So for right now, at least at this skill level, I don't know, but until I figure something else out, Planet Fitness is really the only option for me.
Sorry, I don't know what you said.
I the dick! That's my kink! Crushing balls!
Check it out.
Holy shit!
What the Holy shit! What the fuck? You go? Who wants to go?
You sure?
No, go for it, dude. I'm done.
What do you want to do it?
Hit it. Alright.
Oh, I'll let you do it, Sliker, since you're visiting.
Pull it in tight and you
I can
lean
come back
forward
later.
when you're done, okay? That's safe. Semi-auto, full auto, okay?
Wait, what is it on now?
It's on safe right now. So you're on full auto. Lean into it. Lean into it.
Hold his shoulder, yeah.
Yo, that's the stream sniper.
Holy shit! That was fucking awesome. Oh my god. Hug you. Oh.
I don't always throw my cats, but when I do, I prefer to wait until after I've poured vodka in its mouth. Hi, I'm Alinity. Welcome to my...
Here's what Jake said if you care.
Hasan, steal my content. Hasan, get out of here, dude. Go react to some shit that's already been done. This is live, okay? This is out of your realm. This is out of your comfort zone, dude. Get the hell out of here. Go get dunked on by some 12-year-olds in Beverly Hills.
What?
12-year-olds in Beverly Hills. Get out of here. Go get dunked on by some 12-year-olds in Beverly Hills.
Boy, son of a bitch. Even the fucking guy behind him is like, God damn, dude. Don't fucking roast them so hard. White pig.
Dunked on by some 12-year-olds in Beverly Hills.
Oh, that's fucking roasted, dude.
Oh, man.
Little-headed freak. Nah, just kidding. Don't beat me up for that one.
Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. I was already dead. Why did I have to... Oh, no.
Hachu on the beat. Let's go, chat. I am today very late because I am 3 AM human. I have not good because Hachu is many late. Just say always again late and then I am apologize. This is repeated because I am very honorable. Today I am go to die. This is really not keep check because I'm plus 4 kilogram. So now I am really a people back. Anyway, I am rap got chat. You don't know. Pepper level tea time. Robot is winner. Robot is best because love lab holy got jam.
Okay.
What do you think is a good pitch to get her to join our Clash team?
Hey, you got nothing to do this week?
All right, let's try that one. All right. When she joins, we'll.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready.
I'm sorry, puppy. Are they gonna join the Discord? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Hello,
Jody.
friends. Hello.
Hi. I
Hi.
heard you have nothing to do this week.
What? What?
Huh?
Okay. No, maybe I don't, but why are you gonna come at me like that?
I wasn't. Ray, it's not working. It's not working.
No, you phrased it very horribly. Okay.
Oh,
what he meant to say was, hey, Jody, do you have nothing to do this weekend?
Wait, that sounds almost exactly the same.
No.
Her tone is a little bit better. Okay.
Hell yeah. You want 5 headshots? Yeah, of course.
Holy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
That's all 5. That's all 5.
Oh shit.
That's all 5. 1, 2. You went through the same bullet hole. 3, 4, 5. Same bullet hole.
What the fuck?
Right in the center.
Who the fuck are you, cowboy? What the fuck?
I've seen things dip. And I don't like it literally. I have a hard time going to Twitch right now and going, okay, let me watch some streams. Let me watch the content. That's because there ain't none!
Oh my god, dude. Fucking chickens.
Does Destiny like to watch you with another guy? That has never happened before. I really want to do it though. I am trying to find guys to have threesomes with because I really want to experience that with him. I want to see what would happen. This is so complicated.
Oh my god.
This guy. Look. Put this on.
Party rock is in the house tonight.
Hey, let's go.
Lose your mind. Actually, look sad.
Boomer. Okay, 1 second. Boomer life. You doesn't know Boomer life. This is very hard to depict. It.